So I'm just going to make this really brief today just to give you the gist of this style. I have not worn it yet, and I thought I would do a quick review. Mom and I just got back from a thrift shopping excursion this morning. We had so much fun. The weather was beautiful. It was just a really nice day. My husband saw me in this wig yesterday, just briefly, when I got it out of the box. I have had this one for a really long time. It's been sitting in the box, and I just came across it and said, hey, I don't think I've reviewed that one yet. So I decided to review it for you today. This is Envy's Ivy in Sparkling Champagne. It's gorgeous little pixie style cut, super short, boy cut, 2.5 to 3 inches right off the front, and a couple of inches on the side, 2.5 to 3 inches on the top and the crown. That tapers down into a 1.5 inch nape. Now I feel like that nape is ample to cover up my hairline, and I do shave my hairline often. And the coverage on the cap all the way around seems to be really nice. This is just an open style cap by Envy, and it fits me well. I feel like it's quite average, and by cinching it in just a tad, I was able to accommodate a petite average circumference very nicely. This has a cute little profile and really no discernible layers because this has been razored to the gills all over the top. So it doesn't have a lot of body to it or movement, but you can take your fingers and just sweep it off to the side. Don't you just love how this application of sparkling champagne is? You see most of the highlights at the crown and in the front, and then it gets a little darker as you move back. I think it is done so well on this color. Sparkling champagne is a combination of some gold blondes, so some medium to dark gold blonde and then some lighter pale gold blonde, and that is also rooted on a medium brown root, so there's a lot of depth and dimension to this one as well. This weighs right around 2 ounces. Honestly, guys, I don't know this is on my head. It just feels so good. As a matter of fact, Mom and I were out today, and somebody came through the front door of the thrift shop, and I felt a breeze, and I'm like, oh, it just, for a split second, I thought, I forgot to put a wig on this morning. That's how natural this felt on my head. I felt that breeze, and I'm like, oh my God, I forgot my wig. My mom and I tease because she has dentures. She doesn't wear them all the time at home, but when we go out, she likes to have her dentures in. She likes to look her best. And so she teases me that her forgetting her dentures is like me forgetting my hair. It just cannot happen, right? We will make a U-turn and go home and get our dentures or get our hair. And the super light density is very natural on this one as well. Another story from the thrift store this morning. The gal that's in there every Wednesday, she always asks me about my wig because it's hard to tell what I'm going to wear that day. Sometimes it's short, sometimes it's long, but it's never quite been this short that she has seen me. And we stepped up to the counter and she says, oh, is that your natural hair? And I said, I'll let you guess. And she looked at it, she says, yeah, that's your natural hair. And I said, nope, it's a wig. And I went like this. And we just have fun with it. I don't think I would have done that if she was a complete stranger. We just know her so well from going in there every Wednesday. So easy, and this one is actually really affordable too. I think with the discount that's provided at checkout, we're right around $100. And so it's a really nice value. You can imagine this is going to work wonderfully with glasses. I had glasses on quite a bit when I wore this. I always have to have my cheater glasses with me when we are reading tags and so forth, and it worked well. I had my glasses on nearly the whole time. Perfect PIXIE for glasses. All right, I'm just going to move it around and give you a really good look at this from all angles and styling options. And I hope you have a great day. We'll see you real soon right back here at TAZ's Wig Closet.